Welcome to a journey back to the very birth of American money with the Diggin Dave. Today we are looking at a coin so rare and important that it was made before the first official United States mint even opened its doors. Imagine holding the very first piece of our nation's currency in the palm of your hand. We are talking about the famous 1792 Half Disme. This tiny silver treasure is the direct ancestor to the dimes you have in your pocket right now in 2026. This isn't just a piece of metal. It's a symbol of American independence and a bold new plan for money. While the rest of the world used confusing systems, our founding fathers wanted something simple, based on the number 10. This is how that famous story began for our country. It is a true national treasure for all. The year was 1792. And the United States was a very young country trying to find its way. The economy was a mess with all kinds of foreign coins and old paper money moving around. To show the world that America was strong, President George Washington knew we needed our own coins. A new law was passed to start a mint, but the main building in Philadelphia was not finished yet. However, the government was in a hurry to start making national money. In July of 1792, production started in a very strange place. Instead of a grand government building, the first official silver coins were made in the small basement of a local man who made saws. History was literally made in a dark cellar by candlelight. It was a humble start for a great nation, and the values today are massive for us now. There is a great story about these coins that every collector should hear. People say that because the government had no silver of its own yet, Martha Washington gave her own silver spoons and plates to be melted down. While some historians are not sure if this is true, we know the leaders were very involved. Records show that Thomas Jefferson personally brought 75 silver dollars to be turned into these tiny new coins. He received the first 1,500 pieces and even used some of them to pay for things on his trip back home. Whether the silver came from Martha's kitchen or Jefferson's pocket, these coins were born from the hands of the people who built America. They carry a personal connection to our history that few other items can match. It is truly a special piece. Let's talk about the name, because Half Disme sounds a bit funny to us today. The word disme comes from an old French word that means a tenth. This fits the new system that Thomas Jefferson and Alexander Hamilton wanted for the country. Back then, they kept the letter S in the spelling, but people likely just said it like the word dime. This was a huge change for the world. Most countries back then used very hard math for their money that was difficult for normal people to use. By picking a system based on tens, the United States became a leader in making things easy for business. The coin even has the words science and industry on it. It was a smart move that changed how we use money and defined the American dollar forever. It made America a leader in global trade today. The design of the 1792 Half Disme tells a great story of early American pride. On the front side, you see Lady Liberty with her hair blowing in the wind. This was meant to show the free spirit of a brand new nation. Some people even believe the face was made to look like Martha Washington. Around her are the words Liberty, Parent of Science and Industry. This sent a clear message that being free was the key to making progress and getting rich. On the backside, there is an eagle flying. This bird looks a bit small and thin compared to the strong eagles we see on our coins today. It was a perfect symbol for a young country that was just starting to grow. Under the eagle, the words Half Disme show exactly what this rare little coin is. It is an amazing design for our history. Even though these were the very first coins made by the new government, they were not just kept in boxes or museums. We know that many of these 1,500 coins actually went into the pockets of regular people. When you see the few that are left today, they are usually very worn down. They were spent at markets and traded for goods in the daily lives of early Americans. Out of the original batch, only about 200 or so are still around today. Most are in rough shape because they were used so much. However, because they are so rare and have so much history, even a very worn coin can be worth a huge amount of money at an auction. They are some of the most prized items in the world for anyone who loves collecting pieces of the past. It is a dream for many coin hunters. Let's talk about what these coins are worth in United States dollars. In the past, specifically back in the mid-1900s, you might have found one for just a few $100s. But today, the prices have exploded. Even a heavily worn 1792 Half Disme with a lot of damage can sell for over $30,000. If the coin is in better condition, the price jumps quickly to $150,000 or more. In recent years, one of the finest known examples sold for an incredible $1.4 million at a major auction. Even in 2025 and 2026, market guides show that an average survivor is valued between $50,000 and $200,000. This tiny 5-cent coin has become one of the most expensive treasures in American history. It is a massive return for a coin that was once just pocket change. It is worth a real fortune to own one today. Owning a 1792 Half Disme is the biggest dream for many people who collect coins. It is a real link to George Washington and the very first days of American freedom. As we move through 2026, the demand for these historical pieces continues to grow among collectors in the USA. Whether you just started collecting or have been doing it for years, knowing this history makes every coin you find feel more special. The tiny Half Disme showed that the United States could stand on its own and create a money system that would one day be used all over the world. Keep searching and keep learning, because you never know what amazing history you might find in your own hands. This is the father of our modern money and a true piece of the American spirit. Please like and follow for more videos.